Surya Namaskara or sun salutation is a practice in yoga which includes a series of asanas which are linked to each other very gracefully. It is a complete body workout and it provides immense stretch and flexibility. It is best to practice Surya Namaskar early morning on an empty stomach. It has several variations. The one in this video is the asana sequence originated in the Hatha Yoga tradition in India. Each round of sun salutation consists of 2 sets and each set is composed of 12 yoga poses. To practice this, you do not need anything except your yoga mat. So let's get started. Stand in Samasthiti. Look at the tip of your nose. Let's get started. Join your hands in prayer position. Inhale, take your hands up, arch your back. Exhale, fold forward, go down. Try to touch your head to your knee. Inhale, half split, lengthen your spine, look forward. Exhale, take your right leg back, right knee on the floor. Take your left leg back, come to high plank. Inhale there, exhale, drop your knee, chest, chin to the floor. Inhale, slide forward to cobra. Exhale to downward dog. One step forward for downward dog. Do deep inhalation and deep exhalation. Look at your navel area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring your left leg forward, right knee on the floor, look forward. Bring your right leg forward, lengthen your spine, look forward. Head to knee. Inhale, take your hands up. Join them together, arch your back. Exhale, come to Samasthiti. Round 2. Join your hands in prayer position, close to your chest. Inhale, take your hands up, arch your back. Exhale, fold forward. Try to touch your head to your knee. Inhale, half split, lengthen your spine, look forward. Exhale, take your left leg back, left knee on the floor. Take your right leg back, come to high plank. Exhale, drop your knee, chest, chin to Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, slide forward to Cobra. Exhale to Downward Dog. One step forward. Deep inhalation, deep exhalation. Look at your navel area and keep breathing. We are staying for 5 breaths here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring your right leg forward, left knee on the floor. Bring your left leg forward, lengthen your spine. Drop your head to your knee. Inhale, come up, take your hands up, join them together, arch your back. Exhale, come to Samasthiti. Very nice.
Thank you so much for watching my yoga video. If you like this, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such yoga inspiration. Namaste.